Hi everybody! Today I will be sharing with you another recipe. This recipe will need ketchup, sweet chili sauce, mustard, mayonnaise, ground white pepper, paprika, onion powder, salt, sugar, and lime juice. I will just mix all of the ingredients. I will start with paprika. There you have it, guys! Burger sauce, or you can also use this as a salad dressing. If you find anything helpful in this video, please give it a thumbs up and thank you for considering subscribing to my channel. Have a nice day, everybody!